Welcome to our video about WordPress installations in just a few seconds, including a theme builder and a theme for you to work with. Go to the Softaculous apps installer. This can be found under the software section. On the top left, you can search for WordPress. Click on the installation button to configure how you want to install WordPress. On a new account, we remove the pre-filled directory field, because we want the website to load directly on the domain, not in a subdirectory. Of course, you can still choose to install it in a subdirectory if you prefer. Next, fill in the username and password for your WordPress user. And finally, select all our free WordPress plugins, including the free theme builder. When ready, click Install, and wait for the installation to finish. Congratulations, you finished the installation of WordPress, including the plugins. How easy was that? Now you just follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen and you have your theme installed in seconds, and you can start updating your website.